gas fire. You heard it burbling. Oh, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today's, oh fuck, God, this car is touchy as shit, bro. But yeah, today we're driving my boy Jeremy's Pontiac G8 GT, right? Is it GT? Yeah,
GT.
So
towards the 87.
87? God damn, I'm not about to do a donut in this fucking car. Ow. God damn it. But yeah, we're driving a G8 GT. This car, what's the power and torque like on this car? What's the specs?
Don't know to don't know to don't know. I never really got it, you know, on the diamond or not, but yeah.
But I know these do push about what, 400 almost?
Somewhere around there.
What's the torque like?
Here, there, and gone.
This fucking guy. You just buy a car and just don't do research on it?
But the thing is, this car's not stock.
So what's done to the car at least?
So the differential just got redone.
No wonder you've been acting a fool.
Intake, exhaust.
Obviously tints because I can't see.
Tints.
Look like it's nighttime. It is not nighttime. What coilovers are you on? It rides good.
BC Racing.
No wonder.
BC Racing. Only one way to go, bro. Come on.
I use D2s on all my cars. Yeah, I'm not doing that today, buddy. Not today. I'm driving this fucking casually. I like the car. First impressions, and a nice place to be.
Hell yeah. Fucking Maximus, man.
That's Ultima.
Same shit.
Yeah.
Just different motors.
Yeah.
They're all the same owners, bro. Bad drivers.
You on your shit today, huh?
No cap.
It's a nice car. What's the motor? It's a 6-liter V8?
Yeah, 6.0 V8 from Chevy.
What's the motor called? Is it LS or?
Yeah, it's an L76. I'm not sure if that's what. Oh, still technically still LS, I guess.
Yes, the heads are different, I guess. Because they're gonna put the best flowing manifold for the Corvettes, right?
It's just something with the headers. I mean, that makes it a little less powerful from some of the other motors or whatever the case is.
It's got a transmission tune as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, it shifts like a dual clutch.
Not really a transmission tune. It just has a torque converter.
Oh, so that's why
it gives that kick. Yeah.
Okay.
You don't have to even.
Oh, really? I do that for every car.
Yeah.
Look at this. Damn, bro.
Really fucked up.
You see him?
Yeah.
It's like.
You try hard, bitch.
You know I got 400 horsepower, right?
Nigga. Boom.
Nah.
I ain't gonna lie.
This car does not deserve to crash into a damn Nissan.
If this car were to ever get hit, like somebody hit my back bumper, parked or whatever, and it already has a little crack in it.
Oh, damn.
Like the whole bumper cracked.
This car drives mad good, bro.
Yeah, I just gotta take it to
like, it doesn't feel like an American car. I mean, obviously, this car isn't American.
Yo, I swear it is an American car, technically, because it's Pontiac,
shit is from
whatever.
fucking Australia.
Yeah, but no. Yeah, but no. But, like, every time I drive this car, like, I feel like I'm driving an E92 M3, bro.
Just
like,
doesn't rev to 9,000 RPMs like the
That's the best way to explain it, bro. Like, the way the car just feels so raw, the way it grips up on roads, bro. Sometimes, bro.
It grips from a roll.
What, boy? When I'm pushing and I'm cutting up in traffic, bro. Like, the other day, not too long ago, like I seen one of my mans driving, bro. He was in one of these, and yeah, bro, traction control turned off, everything, bro, and he just gunning it.
Wow, that's crazy.
And I'm looking at him cutting up, bro, and the roads is shot. And the car just there. Just there.
No power steering ain't so bad once the car is moving.
Nah, yeah. That's just when you stop.
Yeah, when you stop or you gotta park. Ooh, I don't know how you park this damn 4,000-pound car. I'm saying 4,000 pounds. I don't know how much this car weighs. But we got a weighing station nearby, though.
Yeah, it's about 4,000. Well, right now it's probably a little bit more than
like
that.
5,000 with our big asses in the car.
That, and also I got mad stuff in my car right now.
Oh, yeah.
I gotta clean out.
I gotta do a nice little roll from like 60 so I can see how this feels. I know it's gonna get my car because we're supposed to race once I get my car back.
Amen.
So that'll be a fun run, even though I'm gonna get smoked.
I'm ready to cook you.
I know you're ready. I couldn't drive this every day.
The car got cams, but I don't know.
It probably got a very mild cam.
Or if it really got cams or what, because...
I mean, if it does have cams, it drives pretty much stock, which is good. That's what you want out of a car that has cams. Like, you want the car to drive stock, but when you get on it, get
up and go.
Yeah, you know?
I would like to change the cams, though, on this car.
So what is your future plans with this car?
If I keep it, I would like to, let me see. If I keep this car...
So are we going to get gas?
Yeah, but in the Bronx.
We're going to make it in the Bronx?
Yeah, bro.
This man knows his car.
Well, wheels is definitely in the plans.
That's next, right?
I don't know. Well, honestly speaking, show my tint, please. Whoever did these freaking tint, guys.
Can I just rip this shit off so
please
I can...
don't, because at the end of the day, I got a whole car full of tints and I'm gonna have one elbow window. I prefer to have that there than
I'd rather have a fishbowl than this. This is crazy. No. Look like you put a see-through garbage bag on your window. This is crazy, bro.
Don't worry, guys. I'm gonna buy the tint and I'm gonna do it myself. It's just...
Respect to him. And if you want to follow along with the build of this car, definitely follow him on Instagram at 6BTL. It's, oh my god damn, it's on the screen somewhere. Definitely give my boy a follow. Let's do a pull.
Go for
it. Yo, this shit is out. Yo, this shit is fucking out, bro. This shit got balls, bro.
Nah, it really do. That's one thing I can say about this car.
Why am I on this fucking side? God damn it.
I don't know. I was wondering myself.
I'm a retard.
Who was supposed to get off on right there? New York! That's alright. Just spin up there.
Where?
Just keep on straight.
Yo, this car is fast, bro.
Nah, it really is, bro. Like,
you're definitely beating me.
Like a lot of people.
It would be a good run, though.
No, it's gonna be a really good run. Just for the fact that, like,
you have torque and horsepower at your fucking advantage. I just have weight. I have weight, and what this revs to?
About 8, 9, almost.
Damn.
Just get on the sawmill and go through the 87 that way.
Okay, so you gotta.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Stay right here.
In this lane, right?
Yeah. And you're just gonna take this shit and then bring it.
You still selling this car?
Yeah, bro. Everything's for sale, bro.
I'll probably buy this.
Everything's for sale, bro.
I would probably buy. This is the ultimate daily, bro.
It really is, bro. Like,
it's just expensive on gas. This man put $100 every 2 days.
No.
All right, I'll go to the right.
Nah, stay right here.
Oh yeah, I can stay right here, right?
You know, we're gonna do a little spinny round loop crap.
Yo, this shit is fucking fast, bro. Yo, this shit is out. I think you need tires though, or brakes.
Nah, one, the tires are cold.
Oh.
That's one. And two, it just feels different from like a front wheel drive car.
Yeah.
But like I was trying to tell you earlier, I need to take it to
it's a little thing.
Shop.
A little things. Oh, yo, you heard that?
Yeah. That's because it's a manual.
Does the little burbles. Nah, this car is sick as fuck, bro. How many gears it got? 6?
Yeah. Whenever you want, just boom.
This man is shifting my gears.
Just let go of the gas. Listen, give it some more gas.
Oh shit.
Alright, give it some more gas.
Ooh. Yo, this does not sound like an American car, bro.
It really don't.
Oh my god. I hope the GoPro is catching the fucking burbles. Yo, it's wilding right now.
And sometimes it gets really loud. Like, pop! Like, it sounds like gunshots.
I wish my Civic could do that. My Civic shoots flames when it wants to.
Go ahead, go. Give it some gas.
It's fucking whatever the fuck that Jeep is. Yo, you heard the pop? Nah, I fucking like this car a lot, bro.